Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto, and I am here with a special announcement for those that have not heard in some of my previous videos. I am opening a digital sticker shop, which you probably already understood that from the title of the video and from the thumbnail. But a lot of my sticker kits, all but maybe a handful, will now be available as digital sticker kits. So how I've designed this is that each sticker kit will be put in a zip file with the PNG images of the actual sticker sheet. So if you want to use it for digital planners, then you do have to do some manipulation to like copy and paste the element that you want from the sticker sheet. But they are available as a PNG so that you can print and cut as well. So they can be used multiple different ways. Obviously, you can print and cut. You can use it in your silhouette, your Cricut, all those kinds of things. Or you can bring it into GoodNotes or a digital planner and select the different items that you want to decorate your planners. So what does this mean? Basically, I am moving fully digital by the end of the year. I will have one last giant sale for Black Friday where I do sell physical sticker sheets. But at the beginning of next year, everything will be taken offline and no more physical stickers are going to be sold. They are only going to be offered digitally. So a lot of my mini sheets and things like that, those are slowly going to get added so that you can also have those mini sheets as well. However, right now, my primary focus and the release that is happening in August is for the monthly sticker kits. The only people that will still be getting physical stickers next year, in the next calendar year, starting 2023, January 2023, will be my patrons. They will continue to get physical stickers sent to them every month with each new theme, but the ones that are going to be available on my website are only going to be digital stickers. And why is this? Honestly, life is changing and I need to make some changes with it. So moving digitally will allow you guys to get the files faster. A lot of people have Cricuts, have silhouettes now, and maybe they don't want to wait, weeks on end to get physical stickers sent to them, because right now it's still just me, myself, and I running this business. And honestly, I just don't have it in me anymore to print and cut sticker kits anymore. Stencils will still be available. However, metal stencils are going to continue on in the shop, and then the plastic stencils will only be available for a limited time. So they'll be available for like a 3-month period, and then I am taking them off the shop. If they sell well, it's possible I can convert them into a metal stencil, or I can do a pre-sale for a metal stencil for something that was a good seller. So that is still a little bit up in the air. But I am moving fully digital and fully manufactured, meaning I will not be packing and selling and printing and cutting stencils all by myself anymore. And hopefully that will make sure that you guys get your products quicker, and that you have files that you can use for a lifetime. When I give you sticker kits, there's only a certain amount of stickers in that sticker kit. So if it's a theme you really love and you want to revisit it, you totally can now, because you'll have the digital version saved for your own personal use. And please note that everything that is being sold digitally is for personal use only. You cannot resell, you cannot redistribute. You can gift to someone else. However, please do so knowing that you will not be able to use it personally and that they cannot resell it. It is one of the things I'll probably have to combat, but I want to make sure that I'm giving products to you guys quicker, that I am having a sustainable business for myself, and that you guys still get the products that you love. So that is the plan. So just to rehash everything, for until the end of this year, physical stickers are still being sold in my shop. The last big sticker release is going to be Black Friday. So that will have all of your stickers that prepare you for 2023, because I know a lot of people use future log setups and things like that for their planners. So Black Friday is going to be your last chance to do that. And then starting in the new year, no more physical stickers are going to be sent. Plastic stencils are going to be available for a limited time or for pre-sale. And then metal stencils and other items that I get manufactured are still going to be available in my shop. The only people that will still get physical stickers are my patrons up until the end of 2023, and then they will no longer be getting physical stickers either. That my whole Patreon is going to shift, so you're paying less money, and you are getting digital files as well. So that is the plan going forward. Thank you guys so much. I know that everyone that I've ever spoken to about this has said that they're very excited for the move, that they're supportive of anything that I need. And to be honest, I really want to thank the community for sticking with me no matter what I need personally. Right now, there's just too much going on. To be honest, and it's just too much for one person. So doing this shift is going to help me, it's going to help you guys, and hopefully it ends up working out for everyone. I know people are going to miss physical stickers, but hopefully, since everything is going to be released digitally from now on, you still have means and opportunity to, even if you don't have a Cricut or a silhouette, you can cut it yourself, and you can cut out with scissors, you know, things like that. So I'm hoping that this will still work out for everyone. And thank you so much in advance for your support. I know that my community is always about what is best for other people, even if it is impacting them. And I truly, truly appreciate having this space to make these types of decisions and not have to worry that I'm going to face backlash, that I'm going to get canceled, that I'm gonna get, you know, people upset with me. I don't ever feel like I have to worry about that with y'all, and I just want to thank you all so much, because that type of community is one that I just am genuinely so happy to be a part of. So thank you so much. I hope you guys are excited. The digital release is available on Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. So I will have a countdown and all that kind of stuff over on my Instagram. My shop will also be 25% off during that time, and patrons and affiliates will be 50% off for the digital sticker kits. So if there's any time that you want to become a patron, now may be the best time. And then in August, it's really exciting. We're having 2 sticker kits. We're having a fall cheetah and a Monster Mash sticker kit. So if that's something you are interested, it is definitely a fun time of the year to become a patron, and you get the added bonus of getting 50% off for your digital sticker kits. So thank you so much. And I honestly am so appreciative of the understanding, of the support, and all that kind of stuff. So thank you so much, and I will see you on Friday for the new stickers, digitally and otherwise, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.